Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today got an accessory for my KFI Snowplow. This is the 72-inch KFI Pro Poly, and it's actually on, or it's hooked to the Polaris Ranger 1500. So got some wings, side plates, whatever you want to call them. And here they are. There's a driver's side and there's a passenger side. You got to order them separately. I don't believe there's a kit. You got to order each one separate. But it's pretty basic. You got some bolts that bolt to the side. You got a little bit of a rubber flap there that goes on the top. Bag of bolts here. Instructions. And yeah, it's pretty basic install. I'm going to get to it. Okay guys, so like I said, this is pretty basic. You got your wing. It's actually going to go up in place like so. Something like that. And it's got, you got 3 shorter bolts. That's what's going to go on the side here. You got 2 shorter carriage bolts. These are gold. These are going to hold the flap on top. You got another gold carriage bolt that's a little longer. That's going to actually replace one of these cutting edge bolts, because you got to bolt it onto your wing there. And then there's 3 longer bolts here in this kit, but it says they're not used, so not sure what that's exactly for. It must be for another application that they have. So I'm going to get this cutting edge bolt out, because this thing won't even go up there without that, so I got to get that out. Okay, so it looks like everything's going to be 1/2 inch on here. I take it they're going to reuse that. So we'll get this up here. Hopefully you're getting a good view of this. We'll get one of them started so we can make sure this thing don't fall. Oh, let's see here. Yeah, so one of these, this one up here, I might not put this top one up. I might not put that top one on, because that's for, oh no, I'm going to put that on there. I was thinking that was going to be for my marker, but it ain't. They got a new spot right here for the markers. So yeah, I can put all these in. Well, that bolt don't have a nylon lock nut. I wonder why. It's just a regular bolt. Got to get me a wrench to hold them. Well, that's it for bolting it on, guys. Okay, so the final piece of this side wing is the little rubber flap, and use these gold carriage bolts. And I wonder if that's where you use the Yep, that must be, this is where you use the one that ain't a locking. They must figure there's not a way to hold that very good. Okay, so I got both sides installed. Literally took a few minutes. Just to clarify, the nuts back here, they use the nuts without the nylon locking stuff on it. And I'm guessing that's because there's no way to really like hold that bolt. So that's why they use a nut without a locking deal on it, because it'd be hard to hold it. So you can see on this side it looks a little different. I've got a rubber like edge on there. That did not come with the kit. It comes, this is where they want you to stop. And I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's a gap. There's a gap there. I'm not sure exactly what they're thinking, why there's not some sort of a cutting edge on there, but like I said, I made my own. Here's the one for this side, and all it is a piece of thick rubber, and this is actually the cutting edge off the wings on Dad's truck, my old plow. There's a piece of it right here. And this one broke off. I don't know, Dad must have hit something or whatever, something hard. Anyway, it broke off. I got a new one for that. And this rubber's been sitting by the garbage can. My dad was wondering why he didn't throw it away. Well, this is a prime example right here. I'm going to add, a little rubber cutting edge to these wings, because like I said, it's going to leave like a windrow of snow if you don't put something there. So I'm going to bolt it on. I had to make them, I had to cut them. It actually took me longer to make those little square pieces of rubber than it probably took me twice as long to make those as it did to bolt these wings on. But anyway, I'm going to get this leather rubber bolted on here, and I'm going to wrap this up. Okay, so there she is. Both the rubber cutting edges installed on the wings. I think that's going to do a much better job than leaving that open. So with the wings here, this thing is 82.5 inches, I believe is what I measured. 82.5. So it's a little shy of the Polaris has got an 84-inch snowplow for the 1500, but I would put this plow up against the 84-inch any day. With these wings that are tapered in, it's going to be much more efficient. You're not going to have to chase all those tailings that you'll have with with a straight blade. I don't run any plow without some sort of a wing, because it's just so much more efficient with the wings that taper in. They do have like side plates for these that would probably do the same thing, but you don't get any extra width. I felt like with this 1500 it needed a little more width. So I'm happy with it, guys. It turned out real good, I think. I got one more thing for the plow. I got some lighted markers for this thing. That's going to be the next video on the plow. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys.